In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use habits. First, you'll want to make sure the habits feature is turned on. Open Ticktick, head into settings, and look for the habits option. Enable it, and you'll notice a dedicated habit section appear in your app. This unlocks everything we'll use to build and track your routines. Now, let's add your first habit. In the habit section, tap the plus button. Start with a clear, simple name, something action-oriented like read 10 pages or stretch for 5 minutes. Next, choose the frequency. Daily works well for routines you want every day, while weekly fits things like exercise 3 times a week. Then set your goal style. You can track by days, by a specific amount, or choose forever if you just want an ongoing streak without a defined endpoint. If your habit involves numbers like cups of water or minutes of practice, select an amount goal so you can increment progress during the day rather than just checking it once. Add reminders to make the habit hard to miss. 1 or 2 reminders are usually enough. Think morning for planning or evening for wind down routines. You can also assign your habit to a routine slot, morning, afternoon, or night. This organizes your habits by time of day and makes your today view easier to scan. When it's time to track progress, open the today view. You'll see your habits grouped by the routine you assigned. Tap to check them off, or if you set an amount-based goal, update the count as you go. You can also use the calendar view to mark off past days and spot patterns, which is helpful if you forgot to log something on time. Ticktick supports different tracking modes to match how your habits work. Complete All is great when every scheduled instance must be done, such as a series of tasks you plan to do each day. Reach a certain amount is perfect for quantitative goals like steps, glasses, or minutes where you tally progress until you hit your target for the day. To keep yourself motivated, visit the statistics section. Here you'll find streaks, completion rates, and trends over time. Use these insights to fine-tune your goals, shorten reminders if you often complete habits late, or adjust frequency if a habit is too easy or too ambitious. That's it. Enable habits in settings, add them with clear details, track from today or the calendar, and review your stats to stay on course. Keep your setup simple at first, then iterate as you learn what sticks.